Ever wish you could just hop into Shopify and make a change to a product page or make a different product so that would make advertising your products a little bit easier? Well, you might not get the keys to the Shopify backend, but with Fermat, you can make custom PDPs and actually group products together so they appear as an individual product, even though in your backend systems they're not. This is a game changer when it comes to merchandising your products. So let's show you how you do it. All right, welcome to the back end of Fermat. And what you're seeing here is the products that appear in Shopify for this brand Buffed being pulled into our product section. But as I was saying before, the way you're merchandising products on your main site and inside of Shopify might not be the way you want to display them inside of your ads or in your funnels. So with Fermat, we're going to give you the power to customize these products to match the ad and match the funnel in the way that you want. So one of the best ways to illustrate this is with what we call virtual products, which is a way to bundle products that are similar together that might be disparate in Shopify and make them look like they are the same product to your customer. So in this example here from Buff, they have their hero product, which is the energy sticks in a 30 pack, in a 6-pack, and 2 different flavors. The way these are built in Shopify are all individual products. So if I wanted to merchandise this without doing this, they would have to be shown as 4 different products. Or on the site, you might have to do some custom dev work in order to make this happen. With Fermat, I can simply turn these into a virtual product so that my end customer can interface with this with simple prompts like a flavor selector and a size selector. So let's show you how you do that. So I'm going to click into one of these products and I am going to build a virtual product. So once I create this virtual product, I am now able to group the other products that I want to be associated in the same PDP together. So I am going to put together the Venomberry 6-packs and the Venomberry 30 count as part of this. So these are now going to be grouped together, but I want to go further than this. I want to be able to define how my customer is going to select these options. So I'm going to add 2 options here. I'm going to make one of these flavor and I'm going to make one of these size. So now I'm going to control this. So this is Pineapple Thrash. And so is this guy. And then we've got Venomberry. And we have the different counts here. So this is the 30, this is the 30, and then we've got the 6 and the 6. Okay, so I'm gonna hide these options here because I don't want any of the what might be variants from these products for their originals to be put into this. So I'm gonna save this. I'm just gonna make sure that we hide all these options that come in once we save that. And then once I navigate over into the product section again, this is now going to be a custom product, which was my virtual one. So now I can click into this and edit the PDP just like any other PDP inside of Fermat. Now I went ahead and already merchandised a funnel with one of these virtual products to show you the power that this has. So inside of this buffed experience here, I have this already in the virtual product. So when the customer comes here, they're going to see this as just options of the same product. So I can switch between pineapple and Venomberry, and I'm actually going to be shown different images and you can map specific images to these. So if you have like 40 of these, you can just put the individual products that you want for each of these selections. And then I'm able to switch between the pack sizes here. So here is the Pineapple Thrash in 30. I can add this to my bag. And then I have this set so that the merch is the upsell for this particular virtual product. And this is going to apply any discounts that came from this. So you are able to group these products together to merchandise them to your end customer as if they are one, and you are going to have control over how they select that. But that's just one way that you can use the our virtual products. You can also use it to clone products. So say I have Pineapple Thrash and my PDP is mostly focused around the caffeine content of this particular energy supplement. But in a ad, I'm really focusing on the nootropics. I could simply clone this PDP and then start to edit this PDP separate from the original that came out of Shopify so that I could start to merchandise this in a way where I remove anything that is caffeine specific and start to focus really on the mushrooms and nootropics as an example. So I could effectively have a PDP for every ad angle that I have. But once it goes back to Shopify, it's always going to use that original to transact. So it doesn't matter how many of these I make, it's always going to go back to Shopify in the right way. You, the growth marketer, are just going to choose how you want your customers to interact with these products based on the ad and the context of the click that drove them there. So we are giving you full control over the PDP. Deeper in the funnel, you're going to be able to have a PDP per angle, per ad, per persona, however you want to slice and dice it. And you're also going to be able to create those virtual products so that you can put like products with one another, so that you don't have to merchandise like 40 different products. You can just have them appear to your end customer as one. And the best part is you don't need the keys to the Shopify kingdom. You're going to be able to do all of this inside of Fermat without messing up anything on the Shopify side or on the main site. This is all going to be scoped to the ads that you're creating in the experiences that you build.